Okay, TSLA Tesla today is up 4.75% so far. June 26, $196 level. We still have about an hour until market close. So here's what I'm watching for the stock. So in the morning, it did have a upgrade, I think, and it did push for the most part. Main move came in the morning, right? And if you take a look at this chart, this is an hourly chart for the past like 34 hours. It hasn't been doing much, but it's been drifting higher. So it was pretty sleepy stock for quite some time. If you were trying to trade it, either way, I think you lost money, a lot of money in terms of trading it with options, because at the moment market is concentrated in a few names, and those names have the momentum, but everything else very choppy, very low volume. So here's a daily chart of TSLA, and I was looking at the worst performance for the S&P 500, and TSLA is not the worst anymore after putting that low back here, 138-ish. And right here, right now, well, if you include today's move, Tesla is only year-to-date down 20%, let's say. And also, a lot of options coming in today, 2.3 million total, and 67%, 63%, 66%, 67% call volume, 33% put volume, one of the highest traded option so far today. And here's the short-term performance, right? 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, Tesla's momentum has been to the upside. And if you take a look at this chart right here, right now, to me, I don't know, it does look like it could be this like head and very, very wide shoulders pattern, where the neck would be the 200-day moving average also aligning perfectly, and this $205 level. So right here, right now, for me, the resistance level I'm watching for TSLA, that 200-day moving average and this resistance. Let me bring up the moving averages. Right here, right now, stock is above its short-term moving averages, 5-day, 20-day, 50-day, but 207-ish, 205, that's the next resistance. Can it push higher above this level? Absolutely, but I'm going to be expecting decent resistance here and maybe chop around before it tries to. Of course, it can just go through it, but this is the resistance. If we do take out this level, well, the potential for TSLA to run is there. Let me take a look at a little bit further, right? So if we take a look at 5-year chart of TSLA, you see you have this picture where we do have this pretty big downtrend, and well, on a larger scheme, you can see this is still in a big downtrend. Let me extend this. So that line, that downtrend from 2022, 2021, 2023, this is going to be my resistance for TSLA after 200-day moving average. So I have this blue line right here that I just put. So this is the downtrend that we have for TSLA. So if we do see TSLA get back above 200-day moving average and push all the way to 225, 230, above these levels, I will consider the stock out of downtrend, and potential would be 260. Today's upgrade was, I think, target 265 stiffle, but you can take a look at it yourself as well. But these upgrades, downgrades come a lot. But main thing would be their own earnings report. So what they're going to report, well, Q2 is almost over. We have like a couple more days, and earnings season is going to be kicking in first half of the July. After 4th of July, we'll have banks start reporting. So that's the only time I would expect this name to, well, if we do get good numbers, to take out this level. But until then, stock is still in a downtrend in a larger time frames, but ultra short term right here, right now. Can it push? Yes. Am I buying it? No. But that's what I'm watching. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe. I would love to get to 10K hopefully soon. Thank you. Peace.